Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity.
Learning Igbo Language, Episode 1.
Ndewo ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Ịdị n'otu ga-adị n'etiti anyị ma ọ bụ na anyị mụta asụsụ atọ ejiri mara ala anyị bụ Nigeria. Hello Nigerians. I am your Igbo Language for Unity advocate. My name is Obianuju. And in today's episode, I'm going to teach you greetings in Igbo language. First of all, what do we call greeting in Igbo? Greeting means ekele. Ekele. Before we continue, I would like you to know what we call different periods of the day. In the morning, if we want to say morning, we say ụtụtụ. Ụtụtụ. Afternoon means ehihie. Ehihie. Night means abalị. Abalị. Evening means mgbede. Mgbede. So if you want to greet in the morning, you will say ụtụtụ ọma. Remember, ụtụtụ means morning. Ọma means good. You will say ụtụtụ ọma. You want to greet your mother, you say ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Or you say nne m ụtụtụ ọma. Nne m means my mother. And if you want to say good morning to your father, ụtụtụ ọma nna m. Nna m means my father. Ụtụtụ ọma nna m. And if you want to greet your friends, if they are more than one, you say ụtụtụ ọma no. Ụtụtụ ọma no. Ụtụtụ ọma no is when you are greeting more than a person. Tell the person, you tell the people ụtụtụ ọma no. And if you want to greet good afternoon, you say ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. If you want to say good afternoon to your father, nna m ehihie ọma, which means my father, good afternoon. And your father will say ehe nwa m, which means yes my child. And if your father wants to ask you how are you, he must definitely ask you how are you. He must say ehe nwa m kedu ka ime, which means yes my child, how are you? And the person will respond adị m mma or ọ dị mma, which means I am fine. Adị m mma, I am fine. Ọ dị mma, I am fine. If you want to say good evening, you will say mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma means good evening. Good evening. If you want to greet good night, you will say abalị ọma. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma means good night. But the commonly used one is fugitivo, means may the day break. And the person will respond ka ọ bọọ. Ka ọ bọọ, which means let the day break. And if you want to say thank you, maybe somebody does good to you, you want to show appreciation, you will tell the person in Igbo language, daalụ. If you don't want to use daalụ, you use imeela. Daalụ or imeela means thank you in Igbo language. Maybe if you want to say thank you to a friend whose name is Emeka, you say Emeka imeela or Emeka daalụ. Now if you want to say welcome to my house, you want to welcome somebody in your house, you tell the person no n'ụlọ m. No n'ụlọ m, which means welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. And if you want to tell the person goodbye, the person is about going or the person is going, you tell the person ka emesịa. Kemesia means goodbye. Goodbye. And if you want to say, you want to tell somebody, well done. Maybe the person is working. You want to tell the person, well done. Tell the person, daalụ ọrụ. Remember we said, daalụ is thank you. You can also use daalụ ọrụ as well done. Well done. If you don't want to say daalụ ọrụ, you can say jisie ike n'ọrụ. It's also well done. And if you don't want to say jisie ike n'ọrụ, if you can only say jisie ike, it's also well done. And when somebody, maybe you meet a friend, you want to say, how are you? To your friend, you say, kedu ka ime? Or kedu, for the fun of it, kedu kwan. Kedu kwan is when you want to have fun. Maybe the person is your friend. Say, hey, Amaka, ke kwan, for the fun of it. And when somebody is sick, or the person is injured, or something bad happened to the person, you can tell the person, ndo. Ndo means sorry. So, in this episode, I know you've learned a lot. So you can greet somebody in Igbo language. Let's see in the next episode. Kemesian.